Hello friends, welcome to Daring Barani YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about how to use hydraulic jack in a tie rod. So how to use hydraulic jack? Let's move into details. So first tie rod is put into position and nut will be screwed up hand tight. So first we will put the nut in the tie rod into position and we will screw up the nut up hand tight. And then a sleeve or collar it is placed around the nut. Then hydraulic jack is screwed onto thread above nut and collar until it sits just above collar, because if screw jack is tight onto a collar then it is very impossible to unscrew jack after tightening. So these are the first three steps. Means tie rod is put into position, a nut is screwed up hand tight, then sleeve or collar is placed around the nut, then hydraulic jack is screwed up onto thread above nut and collar until it sits just above collar. Then if screw jack is tight, that means if it is tight on the collar then it is impossible to unscrew jack after tightening. Then when hydraulic pressure is applied to jack, then it will pull studs up and pushes the collar down onto engine. So the entire length of rod will be stretched. When the hydraulic pressure is applied to the jack, then it will push the studs up and pushes the collar down to engine. So the entire length of tie rod will be stretched. So when you achieve the correct hydraulic pressure, a small Tommy bar is placed through cutouts into collar into holes drilled in the nut. Within this we tighten the nut. Okay. When you achieve the correct hydraulic pressure, we will place a small Tommy bar through the cutouts in the collar holes drilled in the nut and we will tighten the nut. Okay. Here means when hydraulic pressure is applied to the jack, it pulls the stud up and pushes the collar down to engine. So that entire length of tie rod is stretched. Okay. When you achieve the correct hydraulic pressure, small Tommy bar will be placed through the cutouts, that is small holes in the collar, and we will tighten the nut. Now hydraulic pressure is then released and due to elasticity of tie rod, the nut is pulled against the engine. Okay. Then after completely releasing the hydraulic pressure, hoses will be disconnected. This is what happening in the case of hydraulic jack of in a tie rod. Basic. So here the figure we can say hydraulic jack. We all have seen mostly during overhauling work or everything we need this hydraulic jack in tie rods. A simple thing. Here there will be nuts, here stud and then hydraulic nut of the cylinder, then pin, when the screw is there, oil pressure inlet, then hydraulic nut piston, sealing rings will be there and hole to insert Tommy bar. Tommy bar is just we need to tighten. These are the ways in which how hydraulic jack is used to tighten the tie rod and all. Thank you.